Hey everybody, welcome back to Joe's Multi-Tool and Bushcraft. Today, another unboxing Amazon Multi-Tools edition. Today, we're going to use the Gerber flat iron to open her up. So let's get to it. Hope everyone is having an okay weekend. It's a little bit rainy here this weekend, which is much needed. All right, let's see what they have for us. Okay, so right on top of the box, we have the Coleman 12-in-1 camp scissors. Now I'll be doing a separate little review on each one of these tools. This will just be the unboxing video. Okay, so there you go, the Coleman 12-in-1 camp scissors. What else we got here? We have the Beebury multi-tool. Let's check it out real quick. So you have a quick peek at it. Oh, a nice sheath there. Feels pretty sturdy, nice and hefty. There you go. Little shot right there. Put that aside. What else we got in the box? This one's all wrapped up. I have no idea what this is. I just add items to my wish list and then go through them real quick and just... Oh, this is the Leatherman. This is the Leatherman. Which one is this? It's a Leatherman. Ooh, look at that. Look how tiny that one is. Damn. I didn't realize it was, which one I grabbed. Let's open this up real quick. Keychain tool. It's a Leatherman keychain tool. Oh, and this one is scissors. So I'll do a little, like I said, I'll do a review on each one of these individually in another video. That's the Leatherman keychain tool. Cool. Next, what the heck is this? I have no idea what this is. So let's open it. Find out. Oh, okay. Oh, it's another a camping tool gadget here. For some reason, there's two of them. I have no idea why. Yeah, so you got a fork, spoon. There's a corkscrew opener on the side here. I have to check this out later. Let's see what's in the other one. I don't know why there's two. Well, it's the exact same item. I got two of them. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. I'll figure out what the stipulations are going to be. We'll do a giveaway on one of these, since I got two. And last but not least, the torch mini tool. Need a tool to open a tool. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, it's got a it's a charging one. It's got a little USB charger there. Oh, damn! It even came charged. It's pretty neat. Right on. And we'll have to check this out. So not only is it a flashlight, but it's got, you know, all your basic tools built in there as well. Very cool. Okay, so we're gonna have to do like a separate video for all these items. But hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. Like, subscribe, share it, and hit the notifications button for more of Joe's Multi-Tool Bushcraft.